Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Afsah Fatima
And my name is the best girl in the world, Maleeha.
welcome back to our channel. So today we went to complete our Eid shopping and we successfully did it. It took a long time.
I am so proud of myself. This time I was able to actually find good dresses because last year I did not take any interest and the next moment I see the fitting is loose.
Yes, me and my sister are gonna be a baddie this Eid.
Actually, we have kept a whole feeling this Ramadan that both our Ramadan, which is going well, mashallah, and our Eid will be actually the best of 2026.
Yes.
Actually, have you guys heard this thing that in 2030 we will be holding 2 Ramadans and in 2033 we're going to be having 3 Eids. Like, I guess it's Eid al-Fitr that's 3 times or maybe Bakra Eid. Actually, I'm going to ask my sister, what are you excited most for, Bakra Eid or Eid al-Fitr?
The money we're gonna get.
Actually, I am most excited for Eid al-Fitr, not Bakra Eid, I mean, because in Bakra Eid you're just eating bakre ka gosht, which is pretty boring.
money. And getting money.
You only eat meat the whole day, which gets boring later on.
I have also made a whole vibe check about the Eid, the bangles, the dress, the colors, everything.
This time she was literally so sad she's not gonna get any purses or that special Kashmiri chuniya. I don't know what that Kashmiri chuniya is, but
my mom bought it for me, both
so
the bag and the chuniya.
basically she hoped she would find it in a big mall, but
Yeah.
we went to a local grocery store near our school while coming home, and boom, at a
It
stall.
was at the front. We did not even expect that.
This is how lucky she is living with me.
Yes.
Obviously,
Nuh-uh. My mother.
I'm lucky. Me and mom are lucky for her because without me she wouldn't find the Kashmiri chuniya, and without mom she wouldn't buy the Kashmiri chuniya.
We went for shopping for ourselves, but our father also decided to shop, so we went to Wijdan after that.
And we were kind of excited to go to Wijdan, and the clothing
Because it was a
decent.
new shop.
It was pretty decent, but also pretty pricey. Like, if you buy something for 1,000, you're not allowed to sell it for 30,000, which is haram actually in Islam. It's called something like haram kamai.
I don't remember that.
Because
But it was a
it's tuna
simple suit, but it costed like 30,000.
and pretty much boring.
Yes, it was just simple.
Even simple suits these days are so pricey. Like back in my mom's days, even wedding dresses were cheap.
Not that much, girl.
Today's zamana is like क्यों ना लग गया. This Eid, actually my main goal is to dress up nice and collect more money from the men standing in front of you.
Our father.
Because last year my father gave me quite a good amount of money, and that was the first and only time in a Eid that he directly gave me the money and I didn't have to ask him for Eid. But as always, my mom, she gives us like 2,000 at least.
Without asking.
She's really nice actually.
Our father also.
Yeah, the best and most enjoyable thing we all do as a family on Eid or birthdays is that we sometimes on Eids gift each other money envelopes. And when I was turning 8, my parents and my sister, they made a money envelope, and I actually still have it in a diary, but the money I spent it on food and
yes.
snacks. So
Me and our all cousins spend our Eid money basically just on food.
yeah, there's a local snack shop near, and the cousins, they go buy. We tell them
Yes.
कि हमें ये वाली chips चाहिए, ये वाली chips चाहिए, and they go buy it.
Then we do a party.
And we kind of contribute the money. Sometimes they scam us with the money. Like last year we told them to buy chips, and what they did was they bought 50 rupees worth chips, and then they kept the rest 50 with themselves.
Yes, and did not tell us the price, so we were scammed.
And actually sometimes they mess up the flavors. So guys, can you tell how I look? Actually that bag is not mine. I don't like purses at all. That's my sister's.
I said that do a fit check and she did a walk.
And actually my fit checks mean that I am actually doing nothing. I just stand far and go with different poses.
Yes. So my cousin and my sister are matching one dress on Eid.
We are actually pretty excited to do all of this, and the best part, I'm gonna be a little relatable that many of us cousins, we always like to do matching mehndi designs.
Mostly do that. Okay friends, Allah Hafiz.
Bye.